Right, so his next call is a boiler service. Just a standard check of one that we installed, I think. See what we can do. How you doing? Alright, let's do service. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah, that's fancy that, isn't it? Whereabouts is your gas meter?
Gas meter's outside.
Sound, just get that first. Look at that for a spider. Woo! Cork at that. Come to help me do a gas check. Might have to edit out some swearing as well. Swear a lot. I'll try my best. What?
It's all new, isn't it?
What is? Yeah, pretty much, yeah. I don't know if we fitted it or not, but... So it's just I always do a tightness test in the property when we're doing a boiler service. Just basically, you're just testing, firstly, if the lever's passing, which is a let-by test, which you do for about a minute. Proper massive, that. Fucking hell. I don't mind spiders, but I think if that were on me, I'd be flapping. Right, sound. So, first thing after doing the tightness test, we know the appliance is now not leaking, as well as all the other pipe work in the property. Do a visual inspection of the boiler and check if there's been any leaks to the system, which we've noticed at these, because it's below 1 bar. So we've found the leak upstairs and we're going to rectify that another time. I'll just carry on the service from now. So give it a dust off for a start. Yeah, relatively new. I think it was installed a year or two ago. It's a nice install, not by us, but it's always nice to appreciate a good install. Now you can service all types of boilers. Obviously there's varying different things on different types of boilers. On this particular boiler, because it's a condensing boiler, you have to clean out the trap, which I'll show you in a sec. It gets full of debris from the heat exchanger basically, and if that blocks up, then your boiler will stop working. Yeah. Also, yeah, they have your spark electrodes, which you can see is just full of dirt. So we'll give them a clean up. See all this here, this is where the spark jumps across and causes the burner to light, and then this as well, this is a flame sensing electrode which tells the boiler that the boiler is fired and it can stay lit basically. So when that gets full of debris, the boiler thinks that it's not lit when it in actual fact it is, it's just full of dirt.
How has it been since you've been part of the most wanted?
It's been great, yeah. Busy, it's been very busy. But yeah, rather be busy than sat at home, eh?
How many cups of tea is this now?
I guess, well, I've lost count, there's been that many. Probably about 7.
For the day?
Yeah, I reckon so. You can't say no, can you, when you get asked? Becky tells them all how much I like coffees and food. So it's pretty much on a plate for me, right?
I guess something spicy too.
I hope so. Not so much carrots though. So as I said before, when we got here we noticed that the pressure was low, so now we've done all those dry checks, start to fire the boiler up, we'll put it back up to pressure. just over 1 bar's fine. So then the boiler can fire. 0.7, the boiler will stop working. So I've got to make sure that pressure's still up there. Sound.
What did they originally call you out for?
I think it was just to do a boiler service, and they'd noticed a leak upstairs, which in turn is causing that to drop. It's all linked, so we found the leak upstairs. We'll come back at a later date, we'll quote for that and then come back with the parts that need replacing. Sort that out for them. So I'm just putting the zone on so it's got demand, and then busy man, you see. So it's got demand, and then you put, when you're servicing it, you put the boiler in max rate so that it's working at its full performance, and that's what we need to test it on, and then also a minimum rate just as a check. So we're just doing a gas analysis of the combustion products to make sure that there's safe carbon monoxide that's coming out of it, and it seems right. What's what, and that's that.
Good.
I've got 2 more jobs. I've got a service and a breakdown at the same job, and then I've got fit a new thermostat.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, busy.
A later night.
Yeah, well, I got in at 7 o'clock last night, and it was half 6 Monday, so it's quite a normal thing, really. It's grafting season, isn't it? That's what it is.
Yeah, that's it. Well, you got to make the
Yeah.
make it while it's there.
Yeah, sit with feet.
Don't use them in summertime, do they?
Yeah, sit with feet up in summer, and then and you work all day, all night, and it gets to it. So I think.
It's the most expensive time of the year anyway.
Well, yeah.
Isn't it, you know, for anything.
Yeah, that's it. Christmas and presents. So yeah, Jack.
You better go home and miss that camera, don't you?
That's it. Yeah, I get asked to film it when I get home. I've got Tidy's toolbox out of everyone as well. To pride myself on.
Is there any paperwork for us to sign?
No, it's all online now, so it gets emailed to you. Yeah. Saving paper and all that. Right, sorted.
Brilliant.
On to the next one.
Alright, yeah.
Right, so no worries. Probably I'll see you again soon. Bye. On to the next one.